Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today topic is about what is the RPM rates. RPM is the speed of rotation of a machine expressed in revolution per minute. Always use suitable disc. RPM revolution per minute rating of grinding or cutting disc must always be higher than the RPM rating of the machines. The pictures are being attached for the clear understanding that the grinder RPM rating is 10,000 per minute. The disc should be greater than the RPM rating of the grinder. So the 13,300 RPM rated disc will be suitable for the 10,000 rated grinder. So the 8,600, which is wrong, this is not recommended as per the SOP. The reason is why, because the low RPM rated disc, there is high probability of causing damage to injuries for operatives and who are standing nearby. I hope you guys may understand about the importance of identifying the RPM rates of disc and grinder before starting the operation. Thanks for watching my video.